Hello and welcome back, guys. Today I'll be showing you how to differentiate a function in Python using Sympy or Sympy. Why would you want to know how to do this? Well, if you have a large function to differentiate, then it can be pretty hard to do that manually. So I'll be showing you how to do this using code in Python using the Sympy library. Check out the video description as I'll try and leave written instructions there. So let's get started. First, we're going to need to make some imports. Make sure that you already have the Sympy or Sympy library installed. So I'm just going to import Sympy as Sym, and then from Sympy, I'm going to be importing two functions. These are the differentiation function that's known as diff and the sign function because that's what I'm going to be using today. So I'm just going to run that. And now we can get started with our code. So my function is just going to be a simple one-dimensional function just to show how this works. So the first thing you're going to need to do is whichever variable you're trying to differentiate or whichever variable is defined in your function, you have to turn it into a symbol in Sympy. So you do that by saying x equals to sim dot symbol and x in the string format. So that basically turns x into a symbol. So if you just print that, you will get an output that says x. Great. Next, we're going to define our function. So I'm just going to let our function be called f. And I'm just going to write up a random function. So that is my function. Now we can use the differentiation function in Sympy to differentiate our function f. So I'm just going to assign this to ff, and I'm going to say diff of the function f that we've defined over here with respect to x, because that's the variable that we're differentiating with respect to. And now if we print ff and run that, as you can see, we get the derivative of the function f. And that's basically it, you guys. If you wanted to know how to differentiate a function in Python using Sympy, this is the easiest way I know how, and if you know of another way, then leave a comment below and make sure to subscribe for more videos.